Is your Honda Odyssey's alarm randomly going off? The most common culprits are the sliding door switches, key fob, and vehicle battery. Since 2018, Honda Odysseys have had issues with the sliding door module wiring causing random alarms. Check if your model falls under the 2024 recall for 2018-2023 models, which extends warranty coverage for these components to 10 years or 150,000 miles. Start by visually inspecting the sliding door switches for corrosion, misalignment, or damage. For key fobs, ensure you're using lithium-ion batteries instead of alkaline for better reliability. A weak vehicle battery can also trigger false alarms due to erratic sensor readings. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes like B1A00 for sliding door sensor failure or U011 FAIN for fob communication error. Keeping these components in good condition can prevent unnecessary alarm triggers. Before heading to a mechanic, try a few simple fixes. Clean the sliding door switch contacts with electrical cleaner to remove any corrosion. Replace the key fob battery, typically a CR2032, which lasts about 1 to 2 years. Reprogram your key fob by cycling the ignition and pressing the fob buttons in sequence. If the problem persists, it might be a software glitch. Honda has released over-the-air updates for 2022-2025 models with Honda Sensing that include alarm system calibrations. If DIY solutions fail, consult a certified mechanic. Statistics show 40% of alarm complaints stem from fob issues, 35% from sliding doors, and 25% from batteries. Mechanics may recommend replacing faulty sliding door switches or reprogramming the body control module. Regular maintenance, including annual sensor inspections, can significantly reduce alarm issues.